Greetings all. In today's video, we're going to show you how you create QR code for sharing your internet rather than giving the password. So before the video, if you like my video, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So let's start. First of all, we need to find our SSID and password. For that, go to Control Panel, select Network and Sharing Center. Click on your network. Select Wireless Properties, so here we can see the SSID. And click on the Security tab and we can see the password. Now open your web browser and go to wifi.org. I provide a link in the description. Now provide the SSID. And also the password, and let the encryption be WPA2. Now click Generate. So we have generated the QR code. We need to click Print and Save as PDF. Now we can print it. For some Android phone, we need to use some QR scanner. But for iOS it's inbuilt. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.